Today we are removing the stereo from a 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. Today the problem we're having with this stereo is the low volume. The right front speaker is squealing at times even when the door is opened and closed. But more of the common problems we see is the CD player does not work. It will either eject or not eject or attempt to, and the backlight on the display so that you can't see the display are more common problems. We're going to show you how to take this stereo out of the dash. We're going to start here up by the trim ring around the key, and we're going to pry that off and remove that. Just a little bit of pry pressure and it's removed. Next we're going to place the key in the ignition, set the parking brake, and shift to a lower gear. We're going to start with our pry bar at the bottom right side of this panel that covers the stereo, and pry that from the dash while pulling at the same time. Tends to release clips. We're going to work our way up the left side, work our way up the right side, and release all these clips. All the clips release with pry pressure. Now we're going to pull the panel back and let the key pass through the opening and twist this panel up and over and onto the dash. You do not want to disconnect this panel because of the airbag light. Disconnecting that with the ignition on can send a false signal to the computer, and you may have to go to the dealership to reprogram this. Now there's several pieces here in the dash with the cover removed. We have the pocket at the bottom, the AC controls, and the radio. They're all layered, so you have to start at the bottom. We're going to remove the one screw to the right of the pocket. The one screw on the left of the pocket. And these are all layered. You can see here on the side that this pocket comes up and goes into the next panel up here. So we're going to start with the next one now. At the AC controls, we're going to remove the screw on the left. On the right, we're going to remove the screw for the AC controls. Again, this is layered, and this goes over the above panel, which is at the car stereo. We're going to pull that back, and we're going to go to the car stereo now. We have two screws here on the right side. These are all Phillips screws. We're going to move to the right side and remove the two screws on the right side. We have many removal instructions on our website. Grasp the stereo, pull it from the dash. This will give access to the back of the stereo. We have here first the antenna. We're going to grasp the metal base, and that just pulls to release. Next we have the large connector, which has a trigger on the bottom of it that you squeeze down to release. The same here for the steering wheel controls. Remove the connector. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. Hope this video has been helpful. Look for our door panel speaker removal, because we will be getting to that one today as well. See our website for any other questions, carstereohelp.com. Thank you for watching.